So no that but.
Hey, can I
Sunday night but.
Me put some in your pocket.
Cool up, put some pocket.
And I don't put in your pocket.
Yo, on a full of bad word now?
I know Jamaica people. I don't talk like you always come up with the fake body. At the ending love story.
I'm just kidding. Oh, look so nice.
See game there.
Goddamn time is off in it.
Listen here.
I don't pay no game.
Ready?
No, the man.
But I come like a broke up.
No, the man. See, I don't want to play no game.
You know, you can't connect.
Have you looked at it? What kind of my phone now you see at what?
Yeah, me know, much careful.
Oh.
And a black point, you know.
Come here.
Me shame.
I would. Laughing. I will ask him no much careful.
Yeah. Drive this something, make it drive higher.
Terry, where's she from? Alex, take it long and start now.
Hey, sit down and play a game. Sit down. Sit down. Child, mind it.
Where's she no much careful? Man not be nasty, picnic, your body not be nasty, you spoil. Come tell you say no, you want to jump and roll on the ground and ball. You start roll on the ground and ball, just because we say we're not playing a game.
That boy face ugly.
Tell she if it's happy. You spoil him too much.
No.
Queen bee think it's me rude. Carol, what you say? Carol, what you say? First my body from my step kids. I'm going to take one for ice cream later. No, I'm not related.
Where's the dog?
Why not play such dark song?
I play English now.
Or play music? I don't want them dark song. I want to come to every day with them something and play something else with them. When I start now, I start doing I don't know. And when Frank them, give me a remote. Give me this. Give me.
Alex, come here. Meka. Come. So play different music. Yeah, we have remote TV. Okay. It don't work out.
The same one doing can do for me. Tell Zoe if you text me. Alright, Karen, Annie, baby. Hey, what's up? Oh, go on. Who this? We person. You say Annie, baby. Me, I say we person. So, guys, what not cook for you now? Yeah, go take your step kids them for ice cream. How you there with? How are your step kids? That's nice. Hope your step kids them enjoy the ice cream. Hey baby, what's up? I hope your step kids them enjoy it. Oxtail and chicken. I'm just a show off by myself fish. Yes, I show off by myself. Oh God, curry chicken. God no, I don't know. From what they don't want no curry. Jerk pork. Stop it. I show off by me about jerk pork. You're personal about jerk pork. You? I show off. They said we all going out late.